Hi and welcome to the Bouclème Back to Basics series. I'm Zina and today we'll be going back to basics on how to cleanse curly hair, exploring the differences between shampoo and co-washing. Don't forget to check out my other videos where I go back to basics on conditioning, styling and refreshing. I'll leave the links in the description box below. For now, let's get started on cleansing. In the shower, I start off by making sure that my hair is completely soaked in water from the roots to the tips. Now, one would normally apply one cleanser on wash day. However, today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to apply and use both the Bouclème Hydrating Hair Cleanser, which is the shampoo, as well as the Curl Cleanser, which is the co-wash. I'll be starting with the Hydrating Hair Cleanser, which is a sulfate-free shampoo. What sulfates do is it helps a shampoo to strip oil and dirt away, but the hair often needs a bit of its natural moisture and oils to stay healthy, especially curly hair. And sulfates may make the scalp dry and irritated as well. For color-treated hair, sulfates can strip and dull your hair. This cleanser does neither of the above. I start by taking a fair amount of hydrating hair cleanser, pouring it into the palm of my hand before applying it directly onto my roots. This cleanser helps remove product buildup, provides a clean slate, and is really everything you need to ensure your scalp and hair is clean and ready for styling. It's important when cleansing to ensure even distribution of product. To help with this, I massage gently using the pads of my fingers. Now, this not only helps with distribution of product, it also helps to make sure that you are removing that dirt, ensuring complete scalp health, which is really important when shampooing and cleansing. If you have a scalp massager, you can use it to do the same. I like to use the pads of my fingers. It allows me to get into the places and really feel my way around my scalp, giving myself a moment of self-care, just massaging before moving on to the lengths of my hair. Now, the lengths of your hair is just as important as your scalp. I use any excess shampoo and I push it down towards the lengths of my hair, scrunching and massaging any of that product in to make sure that I'm really giving my lengths a good clean. This cleanser is great for that squeaky clean and can be used every 2 to 3 weeks. This shampoo is great if you're looking to get rid of any product buildup or want a good clean slate. To finish, I rinse my hair thoroughly, making sure that any of the shampoo I've just used to cleanse my hair is completely washed out. Notice how I squelch my hair in between just to make sure that any product is completely removed. And that's it. A good clean scalp is a non-negotiable when you have curly hair. It really sets you up for a great styling routine. Now, moving on to the Curl Cleanser, which is a co-wash. This cleanser is a creamy cleansing solution for thirsty curls that doesn't foam. It blends conditioning ingredients with mild cleansers that remove dirt while still nourishing curls, and it doesn't strip your hair of its natural oils. Again, I take a generous amount and just apply that starting from the roots and then going down towards my lengths, making sure that the product is distributed as evenly as possible. Then again, using the pads of my fingertips, just gently going in and massaging my scalp just to lift off any buildup and give myself a soothing massage. Now, I would lean toward a co-wash when I don't really need a deeper clean, but I do feel like I need to wash my hair. Then I would get into the shower and use my co-wash just to rehydrate my hair. I then work my way down to my lengths of my hair, just brushing and scrunching just to get it as clean as possible, making sure that I'm distributing all of the product into my hair to get it as clean as I need. When I'm happy with my clean, I go in and give it a good rinse. Once again, just squelching and scrunching the hair, making sure that all of the product is out of the hair before finishing. Now remember, when cleansing your hair, if you're not happy with the first time, it's okay to go in for a second. And there we have beautiful, hydrated hair. I really hope that this video has helped you. Remember, you can shop all the products I've used in this video by checking out the links in the description box below. Now, if you're new to your natural hair journey or trying Bouclème for the very first time, then the 30-day kits are a great starting point. These kits contain a full routine and offer a saving of up to 39%. Also, you can check out the rest of our Back to Basics series, where we cover everything from wash day to refreshing. You'll find tips for waves, curls, and coils, so watch the curl type best suited to you. If you have any questions, comment them below or email Bouclème directly at info@bouclème.co.uk.